Today we see laws of motion, and subtopic of laws of motion is contact and non-contact forces. So first we see contact forces. Contact forces means which forces? The forces which are resulting due to the actual contact between the two bodies are called contact forces. Means the forces resulting due to the contact between two bodies are called contact forces. For example, if we consider this table and suppose an object is kept on this table, let m be the mass of object, g be the acceleration due to gravity, then weight of the object is always exerting in the downward direction, that is weight w is equal to mg. This weight has equal and opposite reaction, which is called normal reaction, and this normal reaction is acting in vertical direction. So this is n, means in this case n is equal to w, means normal reaction is equal to the weight of the body. Here this normal reaction is occurs due to the weight in downward direction, means this body is in contact with the table and with the floor of the surface, that is earth, and this type of force is called contact force. Second example, frictional force, means from this example, now I am writing on the blackboard with the help of this chalk. As I am writing with the help of this chalk, it means that there is a force exerting by this chalk on this board. This is a frictional force. This force is also type of the contact force. Means in this type of force, the forces resulting due to the contact between the two bodies. This is contact force. Now second is non-contact force. So non-contact force means which force? Second is non-contact. Non-contact forces. The forces for which physical contact is not necessary, or the forces for which the physical contact is not essential. These type of forces are called non-contact forces. For example, gravitational force acting between the two bodies, means suppose the force of attraction between the moon and earth, the force of attraction between the earth and sun, means there is force of attraction, but there is no actual contact between the sun and earth. This type of force is called non-contact force. Means non-contact forces can be defined as the forces for which the physical contact between the bodies is not necessary. That is example, electrostatic force, nuclear force, gravitational force. These type of forces are nothing but non-contact forces. Now after this contact and non-contact forces, we see real and pseudo forces. Real and pseudo force.